It's getting colder here in Seoul, so we're gonna go on a little bulking tour. A little donut tour in Seoul.
Let's get some donuts.
What's it taking, 420?
For 21.
So we're gonna eat probably like 4, maybe 5 donuts at each place. So there's no way we're gonna do this all in one day. So you're gonna see different stages of beards in this video.
Korea's Western foods have been limited in the past. Nowadays, you can find a big chain donut shop almost everywhere in Korea. But one thing that's developing in Seoul are the donuts. Lots of trendy donut shops have been popping up and doing great business. These hipster donut shops have lots of original and super interesting flavors. The first spot that we visited is Coco Matcha, located in Apgujeong, which is a part of Gangnam. It's a newly opened hipster cafe that specializes in matcha drinks. They use a high-quality ceremonial green tea. But they also have some beautiful donuts for sale too. These donuts are baked, light, and cakey. They make donuts like cream cheese matcha, strawberry lemonade, and choco crunch. This place is a great way to start a donut tour. So we're at Coco Matcha. It's a cafe that sells donuts and matcha lattes. Got a pumpkin matcha latte. Pumpkin puree or pumpkin right here, then matcha. Seems pretty interesting. Oh wow. Tastes like pumpkin pie. Hold on, let me get some matcha. The pumpkin part is really tasty. Tastes just like pumpkin pie. And the matcha is what you expect. So we got 3 donuts here. We got choco crunch, raspberry pistachio. This one looks beautiful. And we got matcha cream cheese. These donuts were baked and light. All the flavor came from the strong and tasty frostings. They were small, but super good. Now we have matcha cream cheese. This matcha one you see here, whew, this is something special. Oh wow. I think I just missed cream cheese. This is a great breakfast right here. I haven't eaten anything all day. I'm going back for this. Excellent donuts. Very, very good. Okay, so that was Coco Matcha, and that is near Gangnam. And they have really good matcha. Cream cheese matcha donut is really good. Now we're going to Itaewon to check out Old Ferry. The next place on this tour is a trendy, popular place called Old Ferry Donuts. It's located in Itaewon, and they specialize in handmade donuts with unique and delicious flavors. These donuts are big and meant to be split. All the donuts are filled and are around 5,000 won or $5 each. They have flavors like matcha, tiramisu, and creme brulee. Okay, so we left Old Ferry Donut because it was super busy, super loud inside. So we went to a park near Namsan Tower. And we're gonna eat these donuts here because it's a little bit more quiet, but let's get into these donuts. These donuts are pretty big and they're pretty expensive too. This one is $5. They're all $5, but you can see how big they are. It's like the size of my head. So this one has raspberry inside and they injected it with raspberry filling. I'm gonna give it a shot. Raspberry's a little sour. It's not really sweet. This guy was a little different and addictive. This is a creme brulee one. It's got caramelized sugar on top. You can hear that. So they put, I don't know if you guys know, but creme brulee is like a little cup of custard and they put sugar on top of it and they blowtorch it to make it caramelized. So this is gonna have a lot of cream inside. I'm gonna rip it open to show you what it looks like inside. So it's got like vanilla custard inside. Holy moly. This is amazing. Got crunchy sugar on the outside and vanilla cream in the middle. Wow. I've been waiting for this. Next we're going for tiramisu. Tiramisu we got like coffee and chocolate flavored. This is powdered chocolate. And I'm gonna guess this is like coffee flavor. Injected this one with some sort of cream filling. This tiramisu donut was unique because it had coffee flavors in the donut. Couldn't stop tasting this. This one I think has like apple filling inside with maybe cinnamon glaze. Check it out. This one's really good. It's got apple filling inside. Look at all that. It's like applesauce. It says, we recommend you to enjoy our fresh donuts when it's fresh. If you can't, you must keep it in fridge and eat it ASAP. Old Ferry Donuts. This third place is also located in Itaewon, but on a little side street close to Itaewon Street. It's super easy to miss. It's called I Donut Care. And it's a small basement donut shop that makes the most unique donut flavors I've ever seen. They make donuts like Earl Grey, chocolate cherry, mugwort, and black sesame. I definitely see myself returning to this place and trying these super original flavors again. Alright, so we got 4 delicious donuts from I Do Not Care. So, what we got today is a mugwort donut, which is like a medicinal herb. They use it in Korea, they use it in other places as well. We got a black sesame donut. That's a flavor that's very popular in Korea. We got peanut butter and jelly, which is probably gonna be my favorite. And we got a chocolate banana. So I'm gonna try an interesting flavor first. I'm gonna try this black sesame. And I'm gonna dig in. It's pretty interesting. The donut's really like spongy and squishy. Not what I'm used to. It's kind of got some chew to it. Black sesame is really good. I would definitely eat it again. It's, if you've never had black sesame before, you gotta try it. It just tastes like sesame, but a little bit different. This one is interesting as well. It's green. This is the mugwort donut. Mugwort, they use it in some hotteok in Korea. Sometimes they use it for a sleeping aid. It's really bitter, and it grows everywhere. I'm gonna give it a shot. It's so strange. So the mugwort donut, it tastes sweet because obviously it's got sugar, but it tastes a little bit like medicine, a little medicinal. It's something different, I had to try it. This one should be exciting. This is choco banana. So chocolate banana. Oh wow. This is a chocolate donut with banana pudding inside. You can't beat it. So good. Alright. I tried them all at this place. I do not care. I do not care. There's some other flavors that I would probably try as well. There was an Earl Grey one. They had a Homer Simpson donut. And there was a chocolate cherry one that they ran out of. But I recommend this place, it's good. Next we're gonna go to Hongdae, and we're gonna check out a place called Fluffy Donuts.
Let's move.
The fourth and last place is called Fluffy Donuts, and it's located in a trendy neighborhood in Yeonnam-dong in Hongdae. This place is always busy, and they won't let you sit down unless you buy a cup of coffee. It infuriated me, but they make some really good donuts. They make flavors like triple chocolate, mango, maple bacon, and the iconic Simpson donut. They serve some good coffee drinks, and the donut shop looks like a little slice of a 50s diner from America. Alright, so we got these fluffy donuts right here near Hongdae. In what area?
Hot place in Yeonnam-dong.
Hot place.
Yes.
Lots of couples having dates, lots of people walking around, and we got 6 donuts. I don't think we're gonna eat all these donuts, but we're gonna try all of them. We have, I think it's maple and bacon. We have chocolate and chocolate. This is the Homer Simpson donut, and this is raspberry glazed donut with sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles. We have mango,
Yeah.
like a jelly donut, mango jelly donut, chocolate custard with pistachio, and I'm excited for this one. This is the peanut butter donut.
Yeah. Peanut is your favorite.
All right, what do you want to start with first? All of the donuts at Fluffy Donut were absolutely amazing. I can't really say that one wasn't good. I got no words right now. So I'll end the video by showing you the highlights of the sweet stuff inside that donut. Is this ridiculous or what?
Ridiculous. Was it peanut butter in it?
Peanut butter like frosting. If you enjoy videos that explore the new, old, and interesting culinary options of Korea, please subscribe. And also, give me a thumbs up if you saw any donuts that you want to try.